All of you welcome. Let's go to the second part of seasons and time. In the previous part, we discussed the topic up to Uttarayanam and Dakshinayanam. Now we are going to study the remaining part of this chapter. The major topic of this part is calculation of time. In the ancient period, time was calculated based on the apex position of the sun and the length of the shadow cast by it. When the sun is vertically overhead, it is known. The first topic is local time. The time estimated at each place based on the position of the sun is termed as the local time. But there is a problem. The local time in all the Indian states are not same. For example, the local time at Kerala is not same as the local time at Gujarat. The local time at Maharashtra is not same as the local time at Punjab, etc. There will be hardships if there are several local times in a country. Which are them? They are could not prepare a railway timetable throughout the country, could not set radio and TV programs, could not conduct interstate online examinations, etc. So, later on, the calculation of time became more scientific and accurate. Let's go into the details of time calculation. You know that the earth rotates on its axis while it revolves. You have also learned that day and night occur due to rotation. Look at some of the facts associated with the rotation. First one, the earth rotates from west to east. Second one, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Third one, as the earth rotates from west to east, the sun rises in the east. These are the some facts related to rotation of the earth. Don't forget this. The angular distance of the earth is 360 degree. We will get 360 longitudes if we draw one longitude each for each degree of angular distance. The time required to complete a 360 rotation is 24 hours. We have learned that the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Therefore, on converting 24 hours into minutes, we get 1440 minutes. That is, the time required for the completion of one rotation, Earth takes 1440 minutes. The time required for the Earth to complete the rotation of 1 degree longitude is 4 minutes. That is 1440 divided by 360 is equal to 4 minutes. Therefore, the time required for the rotation of 15 degree longitudinal area is 60 minutes. That is 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes or 1 hour. In other words, 15 degree longitudinal area of the earth passes by the sun within a period of 1 hour. As the earth rotates from west to east, time advances towards the east and recedes towards the west. Look at the illustration. From a definite longitude, the time is estimated to increase by 4 minutes towards the east and decrease by 4 minutes towards the west for every degree of longitude. 0 degree longitude, 1 degree east and west longitudes and 2 degree east and west longitudes are given. The time at 0 degree longitude is 12 noon. So, when we add 4 minutes to 12 noon, we get 12:04 pm. It is the time at 1 degree east longitude. Then we deduct 4 minutes from 12 noon, we get 11:56 am. It is the time at 1 degree west longitude. Then we add 4 minutes to 12:04 p.m. We get 12:08 p.m. It is the time at 2 degree east longitude. When we deduct 4 minutes from 11:56 a.m., we get 11:52 a.m. It is the time at 2 degree west longitude. The next topic is Greenwich Meridian. The 0 degree longitude is known as the Greenwich Meridian. It occurs its name from Greenwich, the place where the Royal British Observatory is situated, and through which this line passes. Time is calculated worldwide based on the Greenwich line. Hence, this line is also known as the prime meridian. The 0 degree longitude is known as Greenwich Meridian. It is also known as prime meridian. Next topic is Greenwich Mean Time. The local time at the prime meridian is known as Greenwich Mean Time. Based on the Greenwich Meridian, the world is divided into 24 zones, each with a time difference of 1 hour. These are known as time zones. The picture shows the time zones. Based on the Greenwich Meridian, the world is divided into 24 zones, each with a time difference of 1 hour. The next topic is standard time. The local time would be different at each longitude. The local time at the longitude that passes through the middle of a country is selected as the common time for the whole country. Each country in the world considers the longitude that passes almost through its middle as the standard meridian. The local time at the standard meridian is the standard time of that country. The next topic, Indian Standard Time. The local time along the 82.5 degree east longitude is generally considered as the standard time of India. This is known as the Indian Standard Time. The longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degree east to 97 degree east. Therefore, the standard meridian of India is equal to 68 degree plus 97 degree whole divided by 2. That is equal to 165 divided by 2. That is 82.5 degree east or 82 degree 30 minute east. The next topic is International Dateline. The 180 degree longitude is in such a way that it passes through Bering Strait in Pacific Ocean and avoids some of the inhabited islands. The travelers who cross this line from the east calculate the time by advancing it by 1 day, and those who cross the line from the west deduct 1 day. This imaginary line is known as the International Dateline. Let's calculate time. First question, what will be the time in India when it is 12 noon at Greenwich? To solve this question, first we draw two longitudes, 0 degree longitude and 82.5 degree east longitude. Through this, we can understand the difference between two longitudes. The longitudinal difference between India and Greenwich is equal to 82.5 degree. The time difference between 0 degree and 82.5 degree is equal to 82.5 into 4. That is equal to 330 minutes. To convert it into hours, we divide 330 by 60. We get 5 hours 30 minutes. Therefore, the time at India is equal to 12 noon plus 5 hours 30 minutes. That is equal to 5:30 p.m. The next question is, what will be the time in Japan when it is 11 pm on Monday in India? To find the time in Japan, we first draw two longitudes, the 82 and half degree east longitude and 135 degree east longitude. The difference between 82 and half degree east and 135 degree east is equal to 52 and half. Time difference for 52 and half degree longitude is equal to 52.5 into 4, that is equal to 210 minutes. We convert minutes into hours, we get 3 hour 30 minutes. Time in Japan is equal to 11 pm Monday plus 3 hours 30 minutes, that is equal to 2:30 am Tuesday. The third question is, what will be the time in 90 degree east when it is 9 am on Friday in 90 degree west? To find the answer, first we draw three longitudes, 90 degree west, 0 degree and 90 degree east longitudes. The time in 90 degree west is given, that is 9 am. To find the time in 90 degree east, first we calculate the difference between the 90 degree west and 90 degree east longitudes. The difference between 90 degree west and 90 degree east is equal to 90 plus 90, that is equal to 180 degree. The time difference for 180 degree longitude is equal to 180 into 4, that is equal to 720 minutes. To convert minute into hours, we divide 720 by 60, that is equal to 12 hours. The time in 90 degree east is equal to 9 am Friday plus 12 hours is equal to 9 pm Friday. Okay, this chapter is over. This is the most important chapter, so study it very well. Thank you.